Are you looking for the best GoPro for your next adventure? Look no further. In this video, we'll discuss the top GoPros for 2023 and what makes them stand out from the competition. We'll look at their features, specs, battery life, and more to determine which will fit your lifestyle perfectly. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or outdoor enthusiast, the best GoPro for 2023 will help you capture all of life's unforgettable moments. So, let's get started. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is an advanced action camera. It has a 24.7 megapixel sensor, can record 5.3K video at up to 60 or 4K at 120 frames per second. The camera also features HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization technology, delivering smooth footage even when shooting in shaky conditions. With a waterproof rating of 33 feet, the Hero 11 Black is highly durable and can withstand bumps and drops. Additionally, the 2.27-inch touchscreen display gives users a clear view of their recordings and the ability to adjust settings. The camera also has a GP2 processor, which ensures faster and more efficient image and video processing. The Hero 11 Black has various shooting techniques and settings, such as time-lapse and slow motion. Furthermore, it boasts that it has improved low-light performance, enabling capturing of clear and vibrant images in dark environments. It also offers voice control capabilities that allow you to control the camera with verbal instructions and permit live streaming to popular online social platforms. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is an improvement from the Hero 9 Black and is equipped with better features and hardware. This camera has a 23 megapixel sensor and can record 5.3K videos at 60 and 4K at 120 frames per second. HyperSmooth 4.0 technology is also included, providing users with stable and smooth shots even in unstable conditions. The camera is waterproof up to 33 feet and has a 2.27-inch touchscreen display that lets users control the settings and view their recordings. Furthermore, the GP2 processor provides the Hero 10 Black with enhanced image and video processing, and its improved low-light performance guarantees clear and vivid footage even in dark environments. The Hero 10 Black has various shooting modes and settings, such as Time Warp 3.0 and 8x Slow Mo, along with plenty of other options to get the perfect shot. When charged, the camera will automatically upload the footage to the cloud. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max can film in a full 360-degree range and shoots in 6K resolution. It is equipped with two 180-degree lenses to capture immersive videos and pictures. The Max also has Max HyperSmooth stabilization technology, which ensures that the footage is not shaky and enables viewers to experience a more fluid viewing experience. A range of modes is available, including Max Time Warp, Power Pano, and 4 digital lenses that make the Max suitable for various scenarios. Its rugged and durable design means that it can withstand any rough handling or bumps. The camera is also water resistant up to 16 feet, making it ideal for underwater activities. The product contains an internal mic and 6 different mics that pick up superior sound from all directions. Moreover, the camera has editing functions, such as adjusting the frame, inserting effects, and adjusting the horizon. This camera is also accompanied by the GoPro app, enabling users to edit and share their recordings and livestream quickly. GoPro Hero 9 Black. The Hero 9 Black has a 20 megapixel sensor that can take 5K videos at 30 frames per second or 4K, filming up to 60 frames per second. It is also equipped with HyperSmooth 3.0 stabilization technology and is waterproof up to 33 feet. Its battery life has been boosted by 30% compared to its predecessor, plus it has a front-facing color display which is ideal for vlogging and taking selfies. The removable lens cover lets you replace a broken lens without changing the camera. There are a bunch of shooting modes and settings included, like time-lapse, slow motion, and night-lapse, which let you take high-quality footage regardless of the lighting. The Hero 9 Black is compatible with multiple add-ons and mounts to get creative with your shots. Moreover, the GoPro app lets you edit and share your videos easily. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The Hero 8 Black boasts a 12 megapixel sensor which can capture 4K video at 60 frames per second or 1080p at 240 frames per second for slow motion video. It is equipped with HyperSmooth 2.0 stabilization with a waterproof capacity of up to 33 feet. It has a modular design that makes it easy to attach accessories and mounts to the camera. This includes the Media Mod accessory, which gives the camera a shotgun microphone, HDMI output, and extra mounting points. Furthermore, the Hero 8 Black offers a variety of shooting modes and settings, including time-lapse, slow motion, and night-lapse. You can also take advantage of its Super Photo mode, which utilizes advanced algorithms to automatically improve the quality of your photos and videos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.